Curious about Google Gemini, but not really sure how it works? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, we'll discuss Google Gemini, what it is, what you can do with it, and how it works. Now let's get started. What is Google Gemini? Gemini is an artificial intelligence system that you can talk to, kind of like texting or messaging. You type in a question or request, and it will respond to you. You can ask questions to have it explain topics you don't understand, brainstorm ideas, summarize information, or help you learn something new. Use it to get help writing messages, making everyday decisions like comparing pros and cons of different options, generating or editing photos, and more. Gemini also easily integrates with Google Workspace, so if you use Google Docs, Slides, Gmail, or Google Drive, you can have Gemini help you craft emails or documents. How does Gemini work? Gemini comes up with answers to your questions through language training. It was trained through reading books, articles, and websites to learn patterns in language. When you provide a prompt, Gemini predicts what a helpful response should look like based on what it has learned. Gemini leverages Google Search to help find relevant, up-to-date information, which can help it provide more accurate and helpful responses compared to other AI systems. Although it's a very useful tool, it can still make mistakes and isn't always 100% right, so it should not be used as a replacement for professional advice such as medical or legal advice. Gemini is a tool to make things easier. You don't need to know any special commands or be super tech-savvy to use it. Just type in your question and see what it comes up with. You can experiment with your wording, ask follow-up questions, and learn as you go. That wraps up our overview of Google Gemini and how it works. Want to learn more about using Google Gemini? Check out this tutorial to learn how to generate images. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.